I know what I want to do in life now.
And what do you want to do?
Either football or caring.
And why those two things?
Football because it's what I'm passionate about, and caring because I like helping other people.
First I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do, and then after I've done the course and the Harrison assessment, it kind of supported me on what I actually wanted to do. So now I'm kind of more focused on what I want to do.
Because I'm going to do my GCSE soon, so then I will have to go for universities and applications. So it's just helped me, with the CV writing and personal statements. It's really helped me to know what to write, what not to write about, how you write it, and making sure that you've got everything you want and it also sounds good to the people reading it.
Well, personally, I've made friends. I feel more confident because I wouldn't have done anything like this without you guys. As far as work goes, definitely, because I applied to an apprenticeship recently, so definitely the skills of CV writing and interview skills and all that kind of thing,